Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a burger like KFC. We'll start by preparing a delicious chicken patty, focusing on key seasonings for that signature taste. Then, we'll move on to creating an incredibly crispy coating, ensuring every bite is satisfying. Finally, I'll guide you through assembling your burger with fresh toppings and a special sauce, making it a truly enjoyable meal. To craft your delicious chicken patty, begin with about 1 pound of ground chicken. Mix in 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for a savory base. For a subtle kick, add a small pinch of cayenne pepper. Gently form the mixture into 2 patties, each approximately 3/4 of an inch thick, ensuring they are uniform for even cooking. Next, we will create the flavorful brine that transforms ordinary onions into a tangy delight. In a separate bowl, combine your 1 cup of vegetable or canola oil with 8 fluid ounces of white vinegar. Add the 3 tablespoons of sugar, along with 1/2 teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and dried oregano. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until the sugar has completely dissolved, ensuring a well-balanced marinade. Now for the best part, assembling your burger. Lightly toast your brioche buns for a perfect soft texture. Spread a generous layer of mayonnaise on both the top and bottom bun halves. Next, add a crisp piece of fresh lettuce and a juicy slice of ripe tomato. Finally, place your perfectly crispy chicken patty on the bottom bun, top with the other half, and serve your delicious homemade KFC-style burger immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.